Hey, Phil here, and I hope you're enjoying this class. If you're interested in learning more or taking your video production to the next level, have you checked out videoschoolonline.com, my website, yet? We have tons of great resources, guides, and all kinds of tips there to help you out. So if you go over to videoschoolonline.com, which you see now on the screen, click that blog article in the top of the page, you'll see all of our latest articles. So we have all kinds of stuff like choosing the right microphone for your video, how to choose the right camera for your video production, all the equipment you need to make awesome videos, a recent article about equipment list for making videos with your smartphone. These are all of our latest articles. If you click this link right here at the top of the blog, you'll go to an archive of all of our articles that's broken down in an easy way to find out what you're looking for. So if you scroll past the photography articles, you might be interested in some of those, but you can also see we have a ton of video production articles on everything from production to audio recording, post-production, the business side of video and filmmaking, and we're constantly adding and updating this list with our recent articles. And yeah, like I said, just check out videoschoolonline.com, go to the blog where we have our latest articles. A lot of these topics come from students like you who ask us questions, and we think, oh, well, there's probably a lot of students that are interested in that topic. So we'll go ahead and actually make an article or a guide there. So again, videoschoolonline.com, click the blog, click the link at the top of the blog to get to this page, which is an archive of all of our articles in a nice, neat way to find and easy to see. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying this class. Have a beautiful day and continue learning. Bye now.